Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But a couple topics I want to get into, nothing in any particular order. So extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And I just want to kick it off with this Jamaican landlord killing his two tenants and his girlfriend in Queens. It's him say, we did the review on the King Mix Up channel, but no. I got telling them what really I go on from what I have to go on, what the news and the police is saying versus what the streets is saying, because some people is calling it a crime of passion and nothing to do with rent. Even though homeboy said he was under pressure while him take everybody life. You see me, some people, yep, we're not making nothing up, you see me. So let's just get into the meat of the matters of things. Because nothing is making sense. It's simple as you can see in the comment section, the people are calling it a crime of passion. But what I'm thinking is, and now I'm just speculating, maybe, homegirl was giving him some pum pum instead of cash for rent. You see me, and like the man said, him did under pressure where him take everybody life. But before we get into what the ex-husband has to say about, his, his ex-wife that died, some of the people them is upset that people them is labeling him the Jamaican landlord. As you can see, this person said Jamaican immigrant murders his girlfriend and two other tenants, and the only other thing Jamaican citizens are concerned is that the news report acknowledged his ethnic group as Jamaican, as they prefer their criminals to be cops play as black Americans in the media. And this person said after nationalization, you're no longer considered a Jamaican, you are now considered an American, and need to stop called a U.S. citizen them Jamaican because they're not Jamaican anymore. People want to put in the comment section what they think about that. And now, according to police reports, this is what Daniel exactly said when he, basically confessed to the crimes. He says, I'm having trouble with my tenants. They haven't paid rent in a long time. Daniel said in the statement to cops, I did a horrible thing, real bad. This man said the police then proceeded to ask him, if he killed somebody. And he said, I just need time. I was trying to see if I can get the bodies out because they didn't want to come out. He told the officers Tuesday this morning it happened. Everyone is there now. Tenants and the person I live with, everyone is dead. Honestly, he said the tenants are downstairs in the basement, one male, one female. The back door leads upstairs to the bedroom. No, here it is, people. This is how the argument with him and his girl started. He said that my partner began to mock me because I wasn't doing anything about the payment. He said she locked me out of the room and I told her, we don't have to share a room, but she has to pay $1,500 in rent. She refused to do that, and I just snapped. I was just so angry from all of the stress. Why, people? Bye. His attorney said it may be an extreme emotional distress issue or another psychiatric issue where it's best for a doctor to evaluate. Like I said, the attorney said this as lawyer Daria Umand. She wants him to undergo psychiatric evaluation. So, maybe him get some leniency, but the prosecutors has charged him with first and second degree murder and criminal possession of a weapon and want him jailed for life without the possibility of parole because the bloody crime scene was the result of extraordinary brutality. And in court we will show who is the defendant that viciously stabbed his defenseless victims to death because everybody was in their sleep. And so it's gonna be quite interesting how this plays out because all the neighbors is saying, he was a quiet and nice guy, you feel me? Just like what the brother has been saying, because he previously told, news reporter that my brother is not a violent person. And the sibling also said that he doesn't really go out there and look for trouble, so this is like shocking to the whole entire family right now. You see, as well as it's also shocking to the ex-husband of the girl that died in this whole ordeal. You feel I mean? She is saying that she was a loving mom and a nice person and full of life, and this is definitely a big blow and also comes as a surprise. So let's give me that update while I go on for to go and put in the comment section. We're gonna think about that. Now let's proceed to the next topic. And now, just a quick update on this Gully Bop wife situation. We just did a review on the King Mix Up channel that his wife Deborah will not be attending the funeral because, she said Gully Bop family is rude and giving a whole lot of attitude and blaming her for some reasons. I don't know. You see what I'm saying? Well, Amari says she knows the real reason why, Gully Bop wife won't be attending, and she had this to say. Why Deborah, Gully Bop's wife, can't turn up at Gully Bop's funeral is she has no clothes to wear. You see me, I say my people. Don't forget to go up on the King Mix Up channel and check out what I go on for not to go on. You see me, I say with the Bops and Philip Powell and things. You see me, I say. So let's proceed to the next. No, Ivanny is planning on getting Howy's name tattoo on her cheek. You see it, as well as, saying Ice will not be christened. You see me? So let's hear what she's saying to see you only, and then we'll proceed.
Period. What you say now?
Like what motivate you to want to have your baby life and life?
What do what? Never hear you. Motivate me
What
for do?
yeah, to want to have your baby and life where everybody has seen.
Because everybody wants to be in my business, so I'm putting them in my business. I think that social media deserve to see when I'm giving birth. I think they have
You
all
don't think
right.
that's like personal?
I don't have a personal life, sorry. I think they should, and it's a must that they see when Ivan is giving
Ronnie,
birth.
like here in Jamaica, I know if them do this a foreigner, but not even newborn pick, them not sure. Them not sure baby picture till 1 2 months after so. Till the
First
baby
things
Christmas.
first, it's not in Jamaica. It's the people in Jamaica that make that decision. There's no rules of when to show your kid. You push him out, you show him anything, anytime, anywhere. So if I push him out and I want to show him the same night, that is my decision.
At the same night, you're going to show the ear baby.
Yeah, exact night as in come out.
You plan to christen the baby though?
I don't believe in that. Me never christen, nobody never christen. If me a demon, he must be demon. There's no christening of this. Double guys, double. Maybe if someone did christen the right way, maybe if you did christen, you would have been the way, babe. Double! Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna christen. He just born, and he might just come home. Just like that. Thank you, Indo. Mommy Julianne with the money gone. Thank you. Guys, don't use no gloves.
Long time I watch you still no Varney. Long
Of
time I
course
watch you,
not.
man.
As Ice born, we'll get one next baby. We'll go for one girl. Yeah, we'll go for a girl after. Come on, guys. Push up a score.
Yes, put in the comment section what do you think about that. Have you, still haven't Christian any of your children? Were you Christian? You see what I say? If you're not Christian, does that make you a bad person? You see what I say? What if you're Christian, but your parents had you out of wedlock? You see me? Is that a sin? And, you know the thing go with them religion thing, yeah, you see what I say? Put in the comment section what do you think about her and Howy's situation. You see me? You think Howy gonna give her a daughter or not? You know what I mean? But yeah, let's give a quick update while I go on for not to go on. Don't forget to comment of this situation, man killing woman because she not pay rent. You feel me? I'm probably not giving up the poems and all of these things if she's mocking him and stuff. You see me? There's still no reason to take nobody's life, but like his lawyer said, he needs some type of evaluation. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.